Jo, lidi, já vás zdravím, já jsem ještě, chci se tady vítám u dalšího videa a dneska jdu na hru a GTA San Andreas. Dáme si hned novou hru a je to jenom na to na ukázku, jestli byste to chtěli. Není to jako normálně jako let's play, no tak teda na ukázku.
After 5 years on the East Coast, it was time to go home.
Welcome to Los Santos Airport.
What's up? Carl is sweet.
What's up, sweet? What you want?
It's mama. She's dead, bro. Passenger, show us your hand. Stop. Get down on your knees. Now down on your stomach. There you go. I'll take that, Hernandez.
Hey, that's my paper, man. That's money.
This is drug money.
My money, man.
Hey, don't worry about it. I'll fill it out later.
Welcome home, Carl. Glad to be back. You haven't forgotten about us, have you, boy?
Hell no, Officer Tenpenny. I was just wondering what took y'all so long.
Get in the car.
Ease up, man. Damn.
Watch your head.
Ah.
Oh, my bad.
Get out of here, you greaseball bastard! Stupid Mexican. Oh, hey, sorry.
My bag. Hey, man, my bag.
Momentálně jsme viděli, aha, ukázka.
How's your wonderful family?
I'm here to bury my moms. You know that.
Yeah, I guess I do. So what else you got shaking, Carl?
Nothing. I live in Liberty City now. I'm clean. Legit.
Nah, you ain't never been clean, Carl.
Well, what do we got here?
This is a weapon, Officer Pulaski, that was used to gun down a police officer not 10 minutes ago. Officer Pendlebury. A fine man, I might add. You work fast, nigga.
You know I just got off the plane.
Well, that's a good thing we found you and retrieved the murder weapon.
That ain't my gun.
Don't bullshit me, Carl.
Yeah, don't bullshit him, Carl.
What the fuck you want from me this time?
When we want you, we'll find you. In the meantime, try not to gun down any more officers.
Protože jdeme na policajní stanici.
Y'all can't leave me here. This baller's country.
I thought you said you was innocent, Carl. Shoot on bang.
This is car 58.
See you around like a donut,
What?
Carl.
Officer Pendlebury's down. We'll be right over.
Oh, shit. Here we go again. Worst place in the world. Rolling Heights baller country. Now, I ain't represented Grove Street in 5 years, but the ballers won't give a shit.
Tak jsme se procitli v... Počkej. Dneska si ještě musím změnit nastavení. Mouse sensitivity. Tak. Fly with mouse, ne. Off. Connecting foot. Fajn. Back. Back. Assume. Tak a je to. Tam již byla nějak divoká. Tak jdeme na první misi, uvidíme, co nás bude čekat. Pravděpodobně já singláč nikdy nehrál, protože já to mám koupený už hodně dlouho na Steamu. A nikdy jsem to nehrál, já nevím proč, já jsem to hrál jenom tak po zábavu. 14 minut.
Grove Street. Home. At least it was before I fucked everything up.
Dneska uděláme smyk. Jdeme na misi, užijte si. Další ukázka, si děláte srandu a užijte si to.
What are you doing, Carl? Brian, stop it!
Quit it! Moms are here.
Mom, they're up to something.
You picked the wrong house,
Two
fool!
more.
Hey, Big Smoke! It's me, Carl! Chill!
CJ. Oh my dog! What's up? Hey baby, you okay, man?
Nah,
To bylo
man.
hodně dobře udělaný.
Props, homie.
Hey, I don't know why this had to happen, but I promise you, I'm gonna find out who killed your moms. The streets is cold, dog. Like it says in the book, we are blessed and cursed.
What fucking book?
Same things make us laugh, make us cry. But right now, we gotta take care of our business. Go see your brother at the cemetery. Come on, let's bounce.
You wanna drive? Yeah, that's cool. Nice car, Smoke.
You know me, it's not cut. Keep the value in it, keep it real. I've missed you these 5 years, man. You're gonna be real happy to see you. Hey, what's up, y'all? Look who I found hanging around.
Carl, hey, good to see you.
I can't believe she gone, man.
That's another funeral you ran away from, fool. Just like Brian's.
Hey, she was my mama too.
Not for the past 5 years, she wasn't, nigga. And where the fuck you think you going?
What? Get out my face. I'm going to see Caesar.
The hell you are, girl. You ain't messing with them essays. You know we beefed it. They ain't nothing but a bunch of lowlife.
Women, what the fuck are you?
At least I got principles.
Oh, and I guess that makes you an upstanding American. Carl, tell him.
Carl don't tell me shit,
As long
bitch.
as he treat her right, disrespect you, and he
How the
did.
hell you gonna say that? Like it's any business of yours.
Fuck you, sweet.
Oh, shit.
Asshole.
Here we go again.
This shit's real fucked up. Everything.
What you mean?
What, apart from your mother being dead? Things are going real bad. Here, let me show you, Running Man. Tony's buried over there. Little Devil over there. And Big Devil over there. Man, it's just crazy. Everybody blasts on fools first, then ask questions second. Ballers! Drive by! Incoming! Oh, motherfucker, my car! We gotta get back to the hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a bike and pedal. Either you ain't forgotten that. Follow my lead.
Vypadá to, že asi normálně asi nepojedem, no.
Takes you back some, huh, CJ? Yeah.
Things has changed around here.
CJ, watch your back around here, man.
How'd it get so bad? I thought this was family's turn.
Yeah, it's Temple Drive family. We don't roll with them no more.
Hodně šílený. No a jak jinak zase jdou po mně. Jak jinak jdou zase po Karlovi, no, dobrý, no. Abych si rád načítoval něco, ale já neznám vůbec cheaty. Já neznám žádný cheaty, ty vole. Říkám, já to hraju první ten, no jak jinak. Jelej to dáš! Yes!
Shit, a baller's car's onto us. Split up. Keep up, motherfucker.
Tak to asi musí být hodně spastý na začátku. Tady pořád říká nějaký shit.
Just a
Fuck
liability,
you.
CJ.
Motherfucker. A nějaký blbosti další.
You're blocking my hell.
Oh,
Why you bother
shit.
coming back?
Straight back into the game, right, dog?
Já znám jenom jména postav, kde se to... Jo, kamaráda. Tady to by měl být ten Big Smoke, ten za náma je Ryder. A... ten to byl snad... To byl... ten snad... Sweet. Takže jak ona ta ženská řekla, fuck you Sweet. Nechci říct Steve. Fuck you Sweet řekla a já už si myslím, že Sweet. No a jak mám pronásledovat ty vole, když tam je on. Pěkně na sračky ty vole. No dobrý. No jak jinak, když on je typa... Mějte to auto. Sorry Raidere. Jsi tam nějak zabugovaný. Jsi tam nějak zabugovaný a já jako... Nemám nějaký, abych tě odtud dostal, čau. Stay with Ryder. Už jede. On už jede a oni jdou po nás. Jede, to zvládneš. Debile. To dáš. To dáš, motherfucker.
Come on, CJ! You can't keep up with the fat man!
No kde ty vole Ryder? Fakt, že nechcípne. Já to teda jde zabít postavy. Ty vole. To ze mě dělá prdel. On tam za ním jet, jo? Stay with Ryder. Tak jedem, vole. Na co tam čekáš? Na to až někdo políbí něco. Dělej, jeď, vole. No jupí. To stojíš jak kačerovi, vole. To stojíš jak kretén, nic neděláš. Tak jedeš. No ty vole, tomu to trvalo. No, mě říkáš dělej CJ, ty vole. Mě říkáš dělej CJ a sám nejedeš. Čekáš buzerem, to ne. Jako ti nic neříkej, jo. To mi řekne come on, CJ. Tak už.
Come on, man, you gotta keep up.
Nechci si utřepat, to je dobře.
I got with them motherfuckers though. Sold them niggas who's gangster. Ride a nigga. So when you leaving, Carl?
I ain't sure. Thought I might stay. Things is fucked up.
Well, the last thing we need is your help.
Ah, man, I won't let you down. I swear.
Hey, we gonna call some hood rats and chill the hell out. You want some?
I got a whole lot going on. I'm tired. I'll catch y'all later.
Hey, yo, just drop in. We all hanging out.
Gia, and get yourself some colors, fool. And a haircut. It's embarrassing to be seen with you.
Dostali jsme asi... You can say few poggers be entered in CJ house. CJ ale dětský jméno, ne? Nebo holčičí jméno, ne? To je jedno. Jedině jsem to hrál... Aha, jo, Gun's House. Tak já si myslím, že to by bylo jenom na ukázku. Já si teda myslím, že toto by bylo asi jenom na ukázku, že to nebudu jako natáčet porta. Doufám, že se vám to líbilo. A jestli byste to chtěli natáčet pořád, jako od začátku až do konce, tak byste mi mohli napsat komentář a já bych to mohl uskutečnit. No. Yes. OK. Já bych to teda mohl uskutečnit a já se u vás teda možná budu těšit u dalšího dílu. Tak